Hi everyone, I'm Kit and I'm going to be talking about my Glossybox LookFantastic recommendations. These are products that I've loved and I would recommend to you guys based on my experience. The first one I'm going to be talking about is my favourite. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. It's absolutely amazing. It is well known in the beauty sphere. It's in the shade Molten Gold and it's absolutely beautiful. Let me swatch it for you now because it's honestly so stunning. It's so bright, and for a drugstore high street brand, it's actually really pigmented. And this Molten Gold shade, because I am Indian, it suits my skin tone really well. Maybelline do some fantastic highlighters. So even if you're not Indian and you want to get the Master Chromes, they've got other shades, so they are beautiful. The next one I want to talk about is the Tangle Teezer brush. It is a back combing brush, but I actually wanted to get this to recreate some really nice festival hair braids. It's one of the brushes that I didn't have in my collection. I have a few Tangle Teezers dotted around everywhere, in my handbag, in my desk at work. But so when I went to Park Life this year, I just needed a rat tail brush, something to part my hair with, and I just didn't have one. So I saw this on LookFantastic, I was like, I have to have this. It's beautiful, it's pink, and true to Tangle Teezer name, it does tease your tangles. The next product I want to talk about is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Face Base, which is really lovely. This is actually a tinted moisturiser, and I don't wear tinted moisturisers ever. I'm much more of like a full coverage person. So when I tried this, I was like, oh my god, it's so full coverage for such a moisturising texture. It's gorgeous packaging, it's like a shimmery gold, and this is in the shade 7.5. It's like a gel texture, so really lovely. And I just thought I needed to let my skin breathe a bit more, have some fun with my skin and just let it breathe. And because I wouldn't wear a moisturiser under a tinted moisturiser, you'd want the moisturisation effects in this to be really good, and it is really good. And it's SPF 30 as well, so if you're wearing it day to day, super lovely. It's just a really nice product from Bare Minerals. They are renowned for their complexion products. That's what they're famous for. The powders as well, the setting powders. But this tinted moisturiser is something that I'd recommend you spend your glossy credits on, because I've really enjoyed it and I think you guys will too. And then we're going into brows. So we've got two brow products. First is the NYX Fill and Fluff. So a really lovely brow product here. It's new, it's launched recently. It's got a lovely angled tip on one side, and then it's got like an artiste brush, a more rounded, fluffy side to brush out your brows. So I like to go for two different brows when I'm going on a night out or when I'm going for that sort of sharp, defined look. I really go in with an angled brush and like carve out my brows. But if I'm going for like the day-to-day fluffy brow look, this one really comes in handy because it has the fluffy side as well. So you can do sharp with just the pencil directly on and get really precise, or you can brush it out with the brush side. So it's really lovely. This is such an affordable product from NYX. And it comes in lots of shades and lots of undertones, so whether you're blonde, brunette or ginger, they have all the shades for you. The next product is the Morphe E29 brush, which is another brow brush. It's got angled side on one end and then it's got a spoolie on one side, so really lovely, because when you want to be really precise and carve out your brows, I'd use the NYX first and then carve them out with the angle brush. But what's really good about this is I can actually brush out my brows with the spoolie as well if I wanted to, or use it to separate my lashes after applying mascara. I don't have this sort of multi-use product right now and I really wanted it. I got it with my glossy credits. We'll be giving away the NYX Fill and Fluff and the Morphe E29 Spoolie and Angled Eyebrow Brush. All you have to do to win is subscribe and hit the notifications bell, comment your favourite brow hack or any tips and tricks that you have for a chance of winning. That's it from me, and I hope you enjoyed my little chat about all the products you can spend on LookFantastic with your glossy credits. Thank you and goodbye.